Bonjour mes amis! Valentine's Day is almost around the corner, so of course you want to make something special for your beloved one, your significant other. You want to get some action, of course, in that particular day. So I have the perfect recipe for you. Some chocolate truffle with lots and lots of chocolate, cocoa, ganache, everything you need to know in only 3 steps. Follow me. So for this beautiful recipe, we need double cream dark chocolate, 55%. And cocoa powder. First of all, we'll be making the ganache. Equal parts cream with dark chocolate. We'll get the cream to simmer, boil. And after we put it on top of the chocolate, we leave it for 2 or 3 minutes. And after we blend it to have the perfect emulsion. After we leave it at room temperature until it sets. We take it to the fridge until the ganache is very strong, so we can make some small, balls. After we put them in the freezer. Meanwhile, we melt some chocolate. We put the small ganache balls inside the chocolate. And after we just roll them in cocoa powder. And it's done. Voila, easy peasy. So, my loved ones, I don't know what else you need. 2 ingredients, okay, 3 steps, 1 perfect dessert for your loved one. It's the simplest, most effective way to get her or him in the bed. Trust me, I know. Okay, can I taste now? Oh mon Dieu, look at me now. It's chocolate, dressed in chocolate with a side of chocolate, of cocoa, whatever. This is the best. But after one of these, you'll feel like rabbit. See you in the next one.